Hi guys, welcome back to the Sitompul Crew. And today we are going kayaking. Me and Jenna is going kayaking, and the rest of our family is doing hunting. Yep, hunting. And me and Jenna is gonna go on one of these, and we're gonna do a little race. Comment down below what team you're in. Yeah. Oh, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and make sure you guys keep watching the video so we can get a lot of views and subscribers. We're gonna go inside of these. Me and Jenna is gonna grab those 2 kayaks, and we're gonna go on this kayaking river, and we might have a little race too.
You ready?
We haven't been on kayak. Ooh, Jenna.
There you go. There's a paddle for you.
Thank you.
So you head up to bridge number 4, turn around and come back. This is number 1. Count them. Excuse me, mate. What's your lead?
Monang naik juga.
Yeah, up
You go with Jaden or alone? Oh yeah.
Enjoy.
So,
Jaden,
Bridge number 4.
yup.
Dan. Ano yun ba?
Bye guys.
Nanti looking for Nini ya.
Yeah. No, first. Yup, go. Monang, say something. Oh.
Hi guys. We're gonna catch up to them. Let's try. It's sliding. It's gonna crash.
What?
Swan family over there. Let's go check it out. It's baby swan. Oh yeah. It's pretty happy. Look, it's a swan and it's baby swan. Oh, damn. Guys, sorry for rain. So we decided to go to the shade where not much is raining. So, pretty sick.
Istirahat dulu.
We're crashing. These were crashing. Guys, look at this. The sign terrain. It looks so cool. Look, there's a duck. Some ducks over there. This is so cool. Guys, look how shallow that water is. It's so cool.
Apa, Mon? Hah?
Emergency, we're crashing.
Wah.
So what are you rubbing here? Oh no. Oh my god. Hi guys, finally made it to you. Me and Jenna was just chilling in the back looking at some babies. Oh, I just got some fungus, guys. Look at that. What is that? Oh, look at that big chunk of wood. That's pretty cool. Guys, look, it's Jen's. Say hi, Jenna. I'm wet. You are?
Yeah.
How?
Wow.
Hi, Jenna. Oh, bumped. Thank you. Guys, we're getting ready to race to the end. Everybody is like, I don't know what Jenna's doing though. Ready, get set, go! Jenna, I don't know what she's doing. She's like driving into the wall. Oh, not anymore. Oh. What the? Jenna, you're crashing so much.
Bye,
Look at
Jens.
So, Jenna, say bye to the camera.
Jaden is class.
Look at Jaden, he's all the way over there. He's not that far.
No! Oh, I'm wet.
It's okay.
There's grass on it.
It's fine. Yeah.
Whoa. Jaden's in the lead right now. We're second place. Jenna's last. I don't even know where Jenna is anymore. Woohoo! Whoa, we're almost in the lead. We're second though, and still in the lead.
Udah, Van. Stop. Dah. Jaden win.
Oh, Jaden won. Oh, gosh. Jaden won, guys.
Jaden.
Jenna's like over there. And Pops is the one that drove.
Mons.
Hi, Nini. Nini.
Bilang.
Nini. There's Nini. They're all the way over there. Oh, look, baby duck. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Ooh. Look, swan. Swamp. I don't know. We're in the shade, guys. Look at that. Woohoo! Bridge, Pa. Bridge. Bridge.
That's the last one.
I think.
Am I just going to get overtaken again?
Seriously?
It's easy.
Probably.
Hi, Jenna.
Again?
Yep, overtaken. Yep, Jaden's grabbing on, so we can be in the same lead. I'm grabbing on to yours, Jaden. Pa. Oh.
Jangan dia jatuh. Udah, please. Jaden, tolong pakai.
Can I go? Hi, guys.
This is Jade. Wait, stop. I think we were taking the lead for like a second.
Jaden.
Pantatnya basah. Pantatnya basah.
Hey.
That was amazing. Look at this view as well.
Toilet.
So good. So, that will be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. in our channel. It really helps us a lot. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye!